Hello everyone, welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region English Medium YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about writing skill of 9th standard information transfer, video number 15. There are two types of information transfer, verbal to non-verbal information or non-verbal to verbal information. Today we are going to see the information about verbal to non-verbal information. Before that, we are going to see what is meant by information transfer. Information transfer is the rewriting of information given in one format into another format. You might also be given a paragraph and you will have to elicit the main points to frame a tree diagram or a graph or pie chart or some other kind of visual representation containing all the information. This is verbal to non-verbal information transfer. Let's see which are the important points for writing the information transfer from verbal to non-verbal. In verbal to non-verbal, you will be given one or two paragraphs which you have to convert into the required non-verbal form like a table, graph, tabular data, etc. Second point, your answer should consist of a few words that include all the points given in the paragraph. Third point, read the paragraph carefully and pick out the points that you have to use in the diagram, table, web. It is very important to understand what is expected in the answer. Fourth, do not add any points of your own to the information given, as well as you provide your title for the non-verbal information. Let's see the example of non-verbal information which is given here: pie chart, tree diagram as well as wave. Let's see the example of it for the verbal to non-verbal information transfer. Read the information below and prepare suitable diagram showing this information. Mr. Phule maintains the following diet for his daily afternoon meal. He has 100 grams of vegetables, 100 grams of lentils, 150 grams of rice and another 150 grams of chapatis and salad. Mr. Dalvi purchases his food from a Poli Bhaji Kendra. He pays 10 rupees for the vegetables, 10 rupees for the lentils and 10 rupees for the rice. He has 4 chapatis that cost him 10 rupees and salad that cost him the same amount. Now this information which is given in the form of verbal information. Now we are going to transfer this information into non-verbal. Let's see this non-verbal information in the form of pie chart. The first pie chart which is consisted of items for lunch. Let's see: lentils 100 grams, vegetable 100 grams, rice 150 gram, chapatis and salad 150 grams. Second pie chart, it is consisted from expenses for lunch. For the vegetable for 10 rupees, lentil for 10 rupees, chapatis for 10 rupees, salad for 10 rupees and rice for 10 rupees. So all this information which was transferred in the form of pie chart. So we can call this information as non-verbal information. I hope you understood this information transfer verbal to non-verbal. Do understand, revise at home and thank you for watching this video.